Welcome to Anando's Key Lectures. Topic is Moment of Force and Couple. Teacher Anand Mohandas. Moment. The moment of a force or torque is defined as the turning effect of the force about a pivot, and moment is a product of the force and the perpendicular distance from the line of action of the force to the pivot. For example, you apply a force to a spanner to rotate a nut, and a driver can turn a steering wheel by applying a force on its rim. So the turning effect of a force is called moment of the force, which is equal to force into distance. So the force acting on the body into the distance is the moment of the force to the axis of rotation. Let's do a problem. A spanner of length 0.60 meter is used to tighten a nut. Moment should not exceed 48 Newton meter, otherwise screw may be damaged. Calculate the maximum force to be applied to the spanner to tighten the nut. So moment is given 48. Force you have to find out. You get the answer. F equal to 48 divided by 0.60, which is equal to 80 Newton. So moment is force into distance. Couple. A couple is a pair of forces equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, whose lines of motion do not coincide. So the resultant moment there is a resultant moment, but there is no resultant force. So another property is that the couple cause rotational effect on the body. So here also moment is equal to force into distance. So couple is a pair of equal and opposite forces acting on a body, but not along the same line. Now let's look into resultant moment of the moment of forces. So here 4 forces and 4 distances from a pivot C, which is in the center. We assume it's in the center. So the sum of clockwise moments will be equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. F1d1 plus F3d3 plus F4d4 equal to F2d2. F2d2 is in the counterclockwise direction, and all other forces are in clockwise direction. So we assign negative to the clockwise one and positive to anti-clockwise one. So the moment about the point C we can calculate by adding up all the moments. Let us do a problem to understand the moments of forces, multiple forces. Calculate the resultant moment of forces 50 Newton and 30 Newton at a distance 2.5 meter and 6 meter from the axis. So here moment of force F1 at A you can calculate by F1 at D1, which is equal to 50 into 2.5 equal to 125 Newton meters. Similarly, moment of force F2 at I calculates around minus 180 Newton meter because it's the moving clockwise direction. The turning effect is clockwise for 30 Newton. So total moment of the result moment about A is equal to 125 minus 180, which is equal to 55 Newton meter. Now let's do another problem which is a bit more difficult than the other one. Here 3 forces 250 Newton, 300 Newton, 500 Newton applied on a road which is on at different points of the road at certain angle. Here you can see along the 250 Newton and 300 Newton, you resolve the x component and y component. So y component creates moment for F1 and F2 about A. So you know y component for 250 Newton is 250 cos 30 and y component for 300 Newton is 300 sin 60. For the third one, it's in 90 degree, and using Pythagoras theorem, you have the distance and one is both an xy component creates moment. So one is in clockwise and other one is anti-clockwise. So moment we calculate using the formula 500 into 4 divided by 5 into the distance into 500 into 3 divided by 5 into the distance 4 meter, which is equal to 800 Newton meter. Similarly for moment at E, P is already found. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.